Good evening. We've obtained the documents found in Pennsylvania by Luigi Mangione's Blair County attorney, looking to have evidence in his case thrown out.
Mangione was arrested in Altoona in December for his alleged involvement in the killing of the United Healthcare CEO in New York. Brock Owens has the details on the latest legal move in the case and what a legal expert says about the strategy. Brock.
Yes, Sean, Mangione's defense attorney says Mangione was initially told he just looked suspicious when he was beginning to be surrounded by police at the Altoona McDonald's. Now his defense says law enforcement did not take the proper steps collecting evidence and are challenging if everything from the gun to the written manifesto can be used in court. In December, United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson's suspected killer was arrested at an Altoona McDonald's. Now evidence collected at the time of the arrest is being challenged.
We believe that when you look at all the facts surrounding that, that the stop, arrest, detention, whatever you want to call it, was illegal. And as a result, we want the judge to exclude, that means prevent the Commonwealth from using that evidence at trial.
The document filed by Luigi Mangione's Pennsylvania attorney, Thomas Dickey, says that includes evidence like the alleged ghost gun, a suspected 3D printed suppressor, and a notebook with Mangione's manifesto. Dickey says there was no warrant for the search and calls it illegal. Local attorney Matt Zacko says the initial search at the McDonald's could have been to protect law enforcement.
I disagree with that because they were there for over 20 minutes. So if they thought there was some kind of threat there about that bag or whatever, no, they probably say that, they always do, but they would have done it then.
Dickey says Mangione was taken into custody and questioned for about 15 minutes before his Miranda rights were read, and says any statement Mangione made should also be thrown out. He also argues that Mangione should not have been taken into custody for providing false identification after correctly identifying himself, but another law expert says he disagrees.
Absolutely. I mean, once they've identified him as the wanted suspected killer out of New York, there's an absolute obligation to take him into custody.
Dickey says he's looking forward to their day in court, and another attorney says the challenge filed may work for the defense.
It's quite possible that the things that were found in that bag could be suppressed and could be not allowed into his case in both Pennsylvania, and it would apply to New York as well.
Mangione faces charges in Pennsylvania, New York, and at the federal level. Dickey tells me he is often in contact with the New York defense team, and that evidence will be challenged in New York as well. Live in the studio, Brock Owens, 6 News.